Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started a series of learning the similar sounding Arabic letters because many Arabic letters are very similar in sound and it is hard for the learners and the beginners to understand and differentiate between them. First, we learned in the previous video how these sounds just like ta and ta are different, and now we are practicing it. Here are few words with letter ta and tha. We are learning today two letter difference between with the letter ta and ta. It is ta, ta. Both have same articulation point, but ta is a light letter and ta is a heavy letter. But just by difference of the letter, new words are made. You see here are few letters. Teen, tain. Teen, tain. Tayyar, tayyar. طيار طيار فطور فطور بطة بطة رتبة رتبة. This is how they are pronounced and we have a difference. We have to focus how which letter is heavy, and when we are just listening to these words we have to focus that what letter is pronounced by focusing on the sound. If it is a heavy sound it is ta, if it is light sound it is ta. The letter teen and tain have the first letter which is confusing, ta and ta. The rest letter is the same, you can see, and pronunciation even the same, but with the letter ta it is a fig. In Arabic the meaning is a fig, and with ta it is a clay. Quite two different meanings. Just by two different letters which are very similar to each other. Tayyar, tayyar is a stream in Arabic, and tayyar is a pilot. As the first letter is changed only. The first letter here is ta, and here the first letter is ta. The third word, the central letter is ta, and here it is ta. But with this ta it is futur, and it means lack of activity. And with central letter with ta it's futur, futur, it's breakfast. You must practice all these things all along with me. Otherwise, just by looking at the video, you will not learn. You have to practice and tell me in the comment box how do you find it. What is the problem you find it in it? What is the point you did not understand? I will reply you inshallah and help you to solve the problem. The fourth word is batta, batta to cut off. And for battah, it is duck. The center letter, even the shadda is over the, it means the sign, which is a sign, is the same. And all the letters in the first, before the ta and after the ta is the same. And but the meaning quite changed to cut off and the duck. Rattaba, rattaba, to organize. And in rattaba, to moisture. You see, this is the difference between the words. Even the letters are very similar to each other, and the position of the letters in the word is the same. If it is a beginning, if it is in the beginning, the middle, and even the shadda and the sign and the characteristics is the same. Only just by the difference of the letter, new words are made. So it is quite necessary for the learners and beginners to understand the difference and practice it. Do comment me what you learn it, what you did not, what the difficulty. I will solve your problem in my next videos inshallah. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and visit my site. Assalamu alaikum.